Yes, Shalvi.
Thank you, sir.
Right. What is the difference between BE and BTech?
So BE is more on the theoretical front and BTech is more on the practical front.
Anything else?
Sir, no sir.
Okay. What are your preferences of services?
Sir, first preference is CISF, CRPF, BSF, ITBP and SSB.
Okay. Tell me why you have chosen CRPF after CIS.
Sir, my preference was based on my familiarity with the force.
Okay.
I have no problem in joining any of the force. As such, I never had a preference. I just want to be a part of the force.
Okay.
So when I talked to people, I got to know about the force, and that is how I listed my preference.
Have you ever interacted with CRPF person?
Sir, CRPF person, yes.
So, have you very well know about the working style of CRPF, where they are deployed, what is their working style?
Sir, I have an idea.
Okay. So, if you are deployed in a region which is very much Naxal prone, right, and you are an assistant commandant, so in that capacity, what is your course of action initially?
Sir, course of action after my training, after I've been posted.
Yeah, you are now assistant commandant, and after it is your first deployment, and you have been deployed in a Naxal prone area.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is your course of action?
Sir, after my training is completed, I'll be assistant commandant and I'll be leading a unit of around 130 people. I will be in charge of that unit. I will be called as the company commander. It is my responsibility for everything that happens in that unit. And also if it is area specific, for example, it is a Naxal area.
Yeah.
So, sir, basically it is we will be performing anti-ANO, anti-Naxal operations in case of if there is attack or if there is any such situation that arises that requires CRPF to be there. So, we will be dealing with anti-Naxal operations.
Okay, if the Naxals are not so much combating, they are actually living in their place and they are not disturbing the society. So, do you want to convince those Naxals to come into mainstream area, and how?
Sir, how I will convince them? First, I need to interact with them. I will have to.
How will you interact you? You don't know about them.
Sir, I think a lot depends upon the dynamic of the situation.
Okay.
If I find a Naxal camp somewhere, and if there is a chance that the things can be solved peacefully, so I think talk is the best scenario, talking with them. But if it turns violent, then we'll have to see how it goes.
Do you know about Cobra battalions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've heard of it. Cobra battalion, sir, as far as I can recall, it is a part of. Sir, I'm unable to recall.
Okay, leave it. What is Samadhan strategy?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, I asked you about Naxals. Tell me about Naxalism.
Sir, Naxalism is an ideology that has developed over a period of time, which started with a leader known as Charu Majumdar, who was a part of CPI,
Right.
and then later split from it and formed a party CPIM, Marxist. And their ideology, they were not satisfied with the way the democratic institutions function, how the parliamentarians are projecting the issues of the people who are suffering in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh because of class landlordism, etc. So they were not satisfied with the work that was being done. So they formed a separate party and they started their own agenda, started attacking all state symbols, police, landlords, everything. So, and they got more people into their group over time.
What do you know about Dantewada in Chhattisgarh?
Sir, Dantewada is a Naxal affected area. So this is all I know.
What are your hobbies, Shalvi?
Sir, my hobby is CrossFit and strength training.
Strength training. So how improves your personality?
So CrossFit is a form. So first, if you may, I will tell about CrossFit.
Yeah.
It is a form. It is a relatively new concept, and it has emerged in 2000. And it is a form of exercise where a CrossFit athlete does various functional movements taken from gymnastics, calisthenics, plyometrics, a number of other exercises, and does it at a high-paced random motion. So it helps a person to develop agility, coordination, overall balance, strength.
Okay. Do you think that it should be included in the daily exercise of CAPFs?
Sir, I am not very well aware of the exact physical routine that they follow, but after a while, then maybe I can suggest if it should be included.
Okay. You have also given civil services examination. So, can I say that your tilt is more towards the civil services rather than CAPFs?
Sir, I've given 3 attempts.
Okay.
Initially when I started, I quit my job and I started with the preparation.
Yeah.
I had civil services exam and CAPF as my first preference, both the exams. Over a period of time, I've given 3 attempts and I failed at each one of them. It is a very prestigious exam, but it is not for everyone. I know my standing and my entire focus is on CAPF currently.
Right. So,
Shalvi,
Yes, sir.
tell me some contribution of Motilal Nehru in nation building.
Yes, sir. Motilal Nehru were a freedom fighter. He is the father of the first Prime Minister of India, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He is known for the Nehru Report that came after the Simon Commission, which was widely rejected.
Only one.
Sir, he was also responsible for the formation of Swarajist Party along with C.R. Das, which wanted to promote elections, wanted to participate in the legislative elections.
Can you tell 2-3 points of Nehru report?
Nehru Report. So first and most important was the Dominion status. It asked for Dominion status because this is why Jawaharlal Nehru and other junior leaders had a problem with, because their ideology was, we have come so far, let's take it step by step. So
Why Muslim League was dissatisfied with the report?
Sir, because of the Dominion status they asked. Under the Dominion status, we would still be a part, we would still come under the Britishers. So that was not acceptable to a lot of people, wanted full Swaraj, Purna Swaraj. So this is why it was.
What was the demand of Jinnah regarding change in Nehru report?
Sir, it was with respect to the number of seats that would be reserved for Muslims. They wanted to be in proportion to the population of the particular state, but they wanted to give it in proportion to the population only in the states where the Muslims were in a minority.
Tell me about neighbor first policy.
Neighborhood first policy, sir? Sir, I do not know exactly who propounded it, but I do know that it means giving a priority to our neighbors in case there is a conflict, which is mostly in case of border disputes, solving it through diplomatic channels. So this is what I
Tell me something about Indo-Nepal relation right now.
So recently Nepal has come into the picture because of the legislation that it has passed in the form of cartographic aggression, where it has included the area from the east of Kali River. Limpiadhura comes under Nepal now. So this is the border dispute that has recently emerged.
Shalvi, tell me 4 problems which are faced by women in India and what would be its solution?
Sir, I believe the most important and underlying problem of all problems is patriarchy, the thought process that is prevalent in India. From this arises a number of issues. For example, women empowerment, financial autonomy, independence, education, and sexual harassment.
What is women empowerment?
Sir, women empowerment is giving women freedom to make her own choices, to be able to decide for herself what she wants for her future, for her family, for her children. Basically, freedom is women empowerment.
So,
Right, Shalvi. You are from MNIT,
Yes, sir.
Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between GSM and CDMA?
Sir, GSM is Global System for Mobile Communication, which is the 2G technology, second generation, and CDMA is the third generation technology. There is a difference between speed, the frequency that is used, and technology I've already mentioned.
What is the difference between AM and FM?
Amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. So to transmit a signal from point A to B, we require a message signal is to be transmitted from point A to B, we require a carrier signal. If the carrier signal is varied in proportion, if its amplitude is modified, then it is amplitude modulation. If frequency is modified, then frequency modulation.
So can you tell me the three important points of new education policy 2020 which influenced you more?
National education policy. Sir, I will read about it. I am not well versed with it.
Okay. What is IRNSS?
It is, sir, it is a satellite system, navigation satellite system. That is what I know.
What is NAVIC?
So NAVIC is like a GPS, equivalent to a GPS, which, that is all I know, sir.
Okay. How do you look at three farm bills in the recent times? Are you in support of it, against it, the reasons and all?
Sir, I will have to read about it to be able to answer this question.
Which area you are prepared?
Sir, international relations.
International relations. What is the conflict of France and Muslim community in the recent times?
France and Muslim communities. Sir, it is based on a cartoon caricature that was published by Charlie Hebdo in its magazine, which has depicted Prophet Muhammad, who's a very important figure in Islam, in a very obscene way, as per the Muslims. So, orthodox radicalist people who have not supported this have gone against it, but the president of France has fully supported in the light of freedom of speech. So this is what the conflict is about.
Okay. Can you tell me something about bushfires in recent times? Bushfire.
Sir, I am unaware.
That's fine.
Shall we explain what you say?
Sorry, sir. Excuse.
Explain what you say. Introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am basically from Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my schooling from Delhi and Kathmandu and graduated as an electronics and communication engineer from NIT Allahabad. Worked in Idea Cellular for about 2 years and recently I am living with my family in Ghaziabad.
These days, in cellular companies, they have a lot of competition going on.
Yes, sir.
Reliance Jio, you
Yes.
know about that?
Yes, sir.
And something going on data. Something going on data. Why Reliance is so forwarded in his companies and other things and so many facilities to their customers? And why are not Ideas, Airtel and Vodafone have not done well these days? What is the basic reason behind that?
Yes, sir. Sir, when I was a part of Idea, the same question we asked to our MD, why is it that Idea Cellular is at the third spot and not the first? So basically, it is about the position that the company wants to follow. Idea Cellular is not an aggressively competitive company, so it does not. It is satisfied with the third position. So this is why.
Suppose you have worked in Idea
Yes, sir.
and you have given the choice. Your first preference is CISF. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And your preparation, your preference is SSB.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the function of SSB?
Sir, SSB, Sahastra Seema Bal.
SSB, Seema Sashastra Bal. What is the function of it?
Sir, it is this force is basically works in tandem with the police forces. It is deployed at the borders of Nepal and Bhutan, especially for anti-smuggling or any law and order issue.
One question, you have a technical background.
Yes, sir.
And India, you know about the position of India in skills. You know about the skills. We have lack of skilled people present there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have technically background. You have strong background in technically. But why you are doing this job? Why are not doing in those fields like idea and other fields like you have telecommunication background? So if you go those places, it will be better for our country and it will be beneficial for our future generation. So why you are good after choosing the technical background? Why you are doing this kind of job?
Yes, sir. Sir, when I quit my job, it was because there are very few companies in the telecom sector in India. That time there were only 4, and now there are only 3. So even if I have to make a switch between companies, if I have to grow in my career, 2-year period is required, and I was not willing to wait for that. So this is why I quit telecom and went for government exams.
Because Reliance is hiring such type of employee who is very skilled. He has some background from those things.
Yes, sir.
And you have lot of information, lot of knowledge. You have really good from that field. So sometimes it feels like that you are also not properly serve the nation after doing that course. And again you are choosing this deep job. It may be, I think, not suitable, not beneficial for our country. Because every country we are providing the children, we are providing the student, in very less amount. हम बच्चों को हमारे स्कूल्स में, हिंदी?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हमारे देश में बड़े सस्ते दर पर बच्चों को इंजीनियरिंग वगैरह मेडिकल की पढ़ाई की जाती है.
जी, sir.
Right?
जी, sir.
After that, those type of students completing their course, he choose to join like this prestigious job. It is really thinking. ये वास्तव में भारत के लिए सोचने की का विषय है. ऐसा क्यों? इस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सर जितना मैंने देखा
हमारे
है.
देश में skilled person कितने परसेंट है? 2 से 3% है.
जी सर.
Am I right?
जी सर.
According to government data.
जी सर.
If you compare our country's skill development program among South Korean country, America, Japan, like this, we are very poor from that.
जी सर.
And you are skilled person.
जी सर.
We have proud on such type of a skilled student, brilliant student.
जी सर.
And again you are leaving this job and you are trying to join this type of job.
जी सर.
क्या आपके जो चॉइस हैं वो आपको दे दिया जाता है? तो जो मोतीलाल नेहरू ने आप पर आपने मोतीलाल नेहरू टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी से पढ़ाई की है.
जी सर.
उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे? बिल्कुल बी फ्रेंड.
जी.
You have cleared the examination, so you are meritorious.
जी सर.
So the basic things are these type. We like to answer from your side. जो कॉलेज ने आपको बहुत कुछ दिया, उस कॉलेज के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? आपके अगर पोस्टिंग चॉइस जो CISF आपने चॉइस दिया है, यूपीएससी ने आपको वो पोस्ट दिया, उस कॉलेज के लिए क्या करेंगे? या देश के लिए फिर क्या करेंगे?
Since it is also a government institution.
Yes sir.
It is a government institution.
Yes.
Funding it.
Yes sir.
सब्सिडी, सरकार का सब्सिडी पढ़ाई पर तो बहुत ज़्यादा आप जानती हैं. क्या करना चाहेंगे?
सर.
बढ़िया मैं उत्तर आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ. जो सरकार ने सब्सिडी द्वारा आपकी पढ़ाई पर खर्च किया है,
जी सर।
आप CISF पहले चॉइस में सिलेक्ट होने के बाद उस कॉलेज के लिए या उस कॉलेज के भविष्य के लिए क्या देना चाहेंगे?
सर अगर मैं मेरा कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन रहेगा तो वो मेरी सर इफ़ आई हैव टू कंट्रीब्यूट आई विल हैव टू कंट्रीब्यूट, मुझे उस दायरे में रह के काम करना पड़ेगा। CISF के पास मेरे पास लिमिटेड पावर्स रहेंगी। CISF का फंक्शन बेसिकली प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करना है टू गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स, टू PSUs, टू वेरियस मेट्रो, एयरपोर्ट। तो सर मुझे उस हिसाब से चलना पड़ेगा। मेरे कॉलेज के काफ़ी एलुमनाई हैं जो पास आउट होके मैकेनिकल जॉब, मैं उनके लिए कुछ कर सकती हूँ। मैं वो लोग PSUs में काम करेंगे, वो लोग मेट्रोज़ में काम करेंगे, वो लोग आगे चल के गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज़ में काम करेंगे। तो मेरा फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि मैं अपना काम करूँ, मैं उसको सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करूँ उस पर्टिकुलर PSU को, या जो भी मेरा काम रहेगा सर।
Your name is Salvi Rathi. What is the meaning of Rathi? How Rathi surname come from in India?
Sir, Rathi, as far as I know, sir, it is a caste. It is a dominant caste of UP. I do not know how it came in India.
Some part of Haryana, Rathi is also surname.
जी sir, जी.
I am right.
Yes sir.
I think Rathi is derived from Rathi.
Sir, I will have.
And if you are from that type of person, and तो आपको किसी भी चीज के लिए जो रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी जाती है उसको आगे ले जाने की जिम्मेवारी है। आप उस तरह के सरनेम से बिलोंग करती हैं। आपके जो कॉलेज के एलुमनाई हैं उन्होंने क्या किया था कि नॉट मैटर, आप क्या करेंगे फ्यूचर में, दैट विल मेक हिस्ट्री।
जी सर।
You have to work for that.
जी।
So, Rathi, you can simply understand Rathi is derived from Rathi, who can lead the people, who can lead the masses.
जी सर।
And you have to think about those type of capability. Clear?
जी सर।
So, definitely you can think about these questions. It may be possible those people, those respected sir will ask this type of question because they know you have qualified the examination, so you have responsible and you have know the subjects.
जी।
And you have you have completed 3 attempts in UPSC. What was the subject, optional subject for that?
Sir, geography.
Geography.
जी।
You have taken coaching from anywhere?
Yes sir.
Yeah.
Bajiram and Ravi.
Who taught geography?
Shabir sir.
Shabir. Whole part he has taught you?
Yes sir.
I am not asking the question from geography because my geography is also weak. So,
Okay, right, Shabir. Tell me something about the places in Muradabad, which when I have been there, so I wish to visit.
Sir, in Muradabad, sir, honestly, there is not much to see in Muradabad, but it is known as Pital Nagari, brass city, because of the brass production and export. So you can, it's an industrial area. There is not much to see, but sir, you can enjoy Muradabadi dal over there if you go.
Okay, Ayad is your favorite area, right? As you told me. Why our relations with Nepal is deteriorating in these days?
Sir, one prime factor was the recent incident that took place. What could have been easily solved by a diplomatic channel between the two countries. The domestic politics in Nepal came into the picture, and Prime Minister Oli rapidly passed the legislation. Instead of showcasing such form of cartographic aggression, we could have sat down and we could have found a solution, both the countries. But that did not happen, either because of misunderstanding. Sir, I am not aware of the reasons, but it could be anything. But it could have been solved, like we did in case of China.
Can you tell me about the ideologies which is basically followed by the Prime Minister of Nepal?
Sir, ideologies, sir, I will have to read about that. Sir.
Okay. Have you heard about Maoism?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between Maoism and Naxalism?
Sir, from what I can recall, Maoism is supported by China. It has external support. Sir.
So in Kerala, we can also see Maoist persons. In Nepal, we have also Maoist persons,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So are they are supported by China?
Sir, in terms of resources, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of ideological support,
Actually, it could be that our ideology matches to others' ideology, but it doesn't mean that they support us or they support them. Chinese support them, those people in Kerala or Nepal.
sir, I do not know.
Okay, right. That's it, shall we, for today?
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.